We are Team Truck Melanoma. Our mission is to bring melanoma and skin cancer awareness, early detection techniques, and sun protective measures to the motorsports and automotive enthusiast community. This is our story. Ryan Kiernan, a medical assistant with over a decade of experience in dermatology, founded Team Truck Melanoma in early 2023. Inspired by his mentor and friend, Dr. Glenn Bowen, Ryan combined his passion for motorsports with his dedication to skin health. Dr. Bowen, who was Ryan's Dumbledore, often said, "We're saving the world one tumor at a time." This belief continues to guide Ryan and his team as they work tirelessly to save lives through early melanoma detection. Our name, Truck Melanoma, is more than a nod to vehicles. It's a family-friendly way of saying what we truly feel about this deadly skin cancer. Melanoma is a cancer that can spread anywhere in the body, but it often begins as a visible lesion on the skin, a cancer you can spot with your eyes. Tragically, nearly 20 Americans die from melanoma every day. That's why the number on our race truck is 20, a reminder of the lives lost and the urgency of our mission. Through outreach events at racetracks, car shows, motorcycle expos, and beer festivals, Team Truck Melanoma meets people where they are, engaging with race fans, gearheads, and hot rodders on a common ground. We've turned our shared passion into a powerful tool for awareness. Our free skin check clinics have helped identify nearly 20 potential melanoma skin cancers and over 30 non-melanoma skin cancers. We've distributed over 15,000 sunscreen samples and educated thousands on what to watch for on their own and their loved one's skin. Education is key to early detection. That's why we emphasize the ABCDEs of melanoma. A for asymmetry. One side of the mole doesn't match the other. B for border. The edges are irregular or ragged. C for color. The mole may have uneven colors like shades of brown, black, pink, or red. D for diameter. It's larger than a pencil eraser, though smaller lesions can also be dangerous. E for evolving. Watch for changes in size, shape, or symptoms like itching or bleeding. Melanoma stands out, and anyone can be taught what to look for, whether it's on their own skin or loved ones. Early detection is everything. Our race truck, the Lent2Go, is more than just a vehicle. It's a conversation starter, helping us connect with people about a difficult and often scary subject, melanoma. By combining motorsports with skin health, we're building emotional connections that make these conversations easier and more impactful. Team Truck Melanoma is a 501c3 nonprofit organization. Each donation directly supports our ability to host free outreach events, offer skin check clinics, and distribute educational materials. With your support, we're saving lives and reducing needless melanoma deaths. Our message is simple: protect your trucking skin. Early detection saves lives, and we're here to help make that happen. Join us, donate, get screened, spread awareness. Together, we can save the world, one tumor at a time. Learn more or donate at truckmelanoma.org.